So here we have the Kia Sportage on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 29,292. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. So we're on the driving data menu at the moment, various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information available. There are other menus, of course, satellite navigation, assist systems, your audio, vehicle settings and user settings as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right hand side the buttons I was using just a second ago, along with cruise control for the car as well. Over in the centre you'll then find the main touchscreen, so we can go all menus. From here, this is where you would pair your phone. Hit the phone button and follow the instructions on screen from there. It's also where you can access your radio. This car's got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you would hit the media button. It's greyed out because nothing is connected up to the car at the moment. You can listen to your music via the auxiliary input, USB input. You can stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And as you can see, we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. So depending on the device you have, you can use that. We've got satellite navigation. There's a full video that shows how the sat-nav works. You can find that on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. And if you pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see a full colour reversing camera to go along with the parking sensors. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo, a few manual buttons, so if you don't use the touchscreen you can use these, and we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in, the temperature for the passenger and for the driver. Any adjustment that you make, as you make it, will show along the top of the screen for 3 or 4 seconds before it eventually disappears, which you've just seen there. Once you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. So to turn it on, press that button. Same button again to turn it off. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away. You'll see that's now gone off. We have two 12-volt charging sockets, your auxiliary and USB inputs just here. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We can turn on or off the downhill brake control for the car, and that button will turn the parking sensors off. And then finally, we have the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.